Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today we're going to replace the back glass on the Samsung S20 Ultra. This should work for pretty much any S20 variant, but this one is specifically for the S20 Ultra. So the tools we're going to need are going to be a blade as well as some heat. And you're also going to need some eye protection because this is glass and it's probably going to be flying everywhere. But the first thing we want to do is add some heat where the cracks are. You want to be careful because you don't want to melt the plastic on the cameras or melt the cameras in general. So you just want to add a little bit of heat here and there and just pick out any of the glass that you can get to. And once it starts to be a little bit difficult to remove, add some more heat and just keep doing this over and over again until you can get a decent amount of glass or until you can get under the adhesive. That way you can lift it up a little bit easier. So I was able to get under the adhesive and you're just going to see it kind of just falls off like this. So the nice thing about this glass is there's nothing really attached other than the adhesive, but the next step is pretty much just to clean up the camera area. So you don't want to use any brushes or anything like that to kind of mess with the camera lenses because these are very sensitive camera lenses. But what you want to do is just hit out the glass kind of like this, maybe use some compressed air, and just make sure any glass that's in the actual camera sensors in that area is kind of lifted out or pushed out. And I'm just going to use a microfiber cloth to kind of lightly go over the camera lenses. I'm not going to use it directly on the camera lenses. But the next thing we're going to do is grab the adhesive for the camera lens and we're going to set that onto the actual phone itself. Make sure it's flat, but you don't have to add all the pressure just yet. Now we can grab the camera glass. We want to make sure that this is clean because sometimes it does come with some prints on there or, dust and stuff like that. So just make sure to clean it yourself. You don't want to rely on the factory. I don't know what this little spot is, but pretty much what you want to do is you just literally want to set it back in place. And that's pretty much it. We can remove this little sticker. I don't know what that is, but either way, that's pretty much it. Looks like the cameras are focusing properly and everything's working good. So hopefully this video helps you out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or message me on Twitter. And feel free to follow me on the social media listed above. Subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this, as well as some review videos. And hit that bell button so then YouTube reminds you when those videos do come out. Thanks for watching.